Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 3-drawer organizer is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for decluttering any room in your home, from the office to the craft room or even the bathroom, offering a compact yet efficient way to store and categorize your essentials, ensuring everything has its place and is easily accessible when you need it, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining a tidy and organized living space. Number 5. HOMZ 3-tier rolling drawer tower. Tired of clutter? This rolling storage cart is designed to help you organize any space, whether it's your home or office. Despite its small footprint, it offers 3 spacious drawers to store all your essentials. Its compact design ensures it fits perfectly wherever you need it. With clear drawers and removable wheels, it's easy to move and see what's inside. Use it for toiletries, office supplies, crafts, and so much more. Feel good about your purchase. This cart is made from 90% recycled materials, making it a great choice for both your items and the planet. From organization to storage, we have the perfect solution for your needs. Let us help you make your house a HOMZ. What we like? This rolling cart offers great mobility with its removable wheels, making it easy to move around your space. It's also made from 90% recycled materials, a great choice for the eco-conscious. If you need a versatile storage solution that can be easily repositioned and is kind to the planet, this is the one for you. What people say. I love that it has 3 different drawer sizes and is very durable. And I love that you can put it on wheels or not. The drawers slide open easily. Not a bad value for the money. It's lightweight, easy to move with the wheels, and fits nicely in tighter areas like closets or corners. The drawers slide easily and are great for things like supplies, accessories, or overflow storage. Number 4. HOMZ 6-tier drawer tower organizer cart. Tired of clutter? This set of organizing drawer containers is here to help. Perfect for storing everything from office supplies to clothing, it's designed to hold your small to medium-sized items with ease. This organizer is ideal for any space, whether it's your home office, bedroom, or garage. Its thoughtful dimensions ensure it fits seamlessly into your life, providing ample storage without taking up too much room. No more digging through drawers. The clear design allows you to see exactly what's inside each compartment. Finding your items has never been quicker or easier. We believe in being good to the earth. That's why this storage solution is made from 90% recycled materials. You can keep your belongings tidy while also being mindful of our planet. From decluttering to storing, we have the perfect containers for your needs. Let us help you transform your house into a perfectly organized HOMZ. What we like? This tall and narrow organizer provides ample storage with its 6 tiers, perfect for maximizing vertical space in tight areas. It's constructed from 90% recycled materials, aligning with sustainable living. If you're looking to organize a garage, home office, or any room with limited floor space, this unit offers significant storage capacity without a large footprint. What people say. Very durable and very well made. One-piece construction. They come already assembled, so that's definitely a plus. Perfect for my small business organization. Number 3. HOMZ 6-tier clear plastic storage organizer cart. Tired of clutter? This storage drawer set is designed to bring organizing power to any space, whether at home or work. With 6 spacious drawers and a compact vertical design, it maximizes storage without taking up too much room. Keep your essentials neatly tucked away. These clear drawers are perfect for a variety of items. Use them for toiletries, office supplies, crafts, and so much more. Feel good about your purchase. This organizer is made from 90% recycled materials, making it a great choice for your items and the planet. From organization to storage solutions, we have what you need to make your house feel like a HOMZ. Discover the perfect container for your life. What we like? With 6 spacious drawers and a compact vertical design, this organizer is ideal for decluttering various spaces. It's also made from 90% recycled materials, making it an environmentally friendly option. If you need to store a variety of items and appreciate a product that is both functional and sustainable, this is a fantastic choice for home, bedroom, or closet organization. What people say. The drawers slide in and out easily. The clear bins show what's contained in each drawer, and the varying sizes accommodate lots of different sized items. Space-saving drawer tower adds storage space. Number 2. Iris USA 3-drawer storage organizer, 2-pack, white. Introducing the Iris USA 3-drawer storage organizer, a versatile solution for all your organizational needs. Its clear drawers allow you to easily see what's inside. This organizer is perfect for your home office, small business, or classroom. It's ideal for storing tools, papers, product stock, and other essential supplies. The lightweight drawers are designed for easy access, making your items readily available. Tabs ensure drawers stay in place but are simple to remove. Utilize vertical space with this stackable organizer to create more room for your stock or supplies. The indented top also provides extra storage or display space. We are committed to protecting the planet. This organizer is made with Green Circle certified recyclable materials, offering a sustainable solution for a better tomorrow. With dimensions of 12.88 L x 10.5 W x 9.5 H, it's the great size for various spaces. This medium-sized organizer fits seamlessly into your existing setup. What we like? This set comes with 2 stackable organizers, allowing you to maximize vertical space on your desk or countertop. They are designed for easy access and visibility of contents, and are made from Green Circle certified recyclable materials. If you need to organize smaller items like makeup, stationery, or craft supplies and want a convenient, space-saving solution for your vanity or desk, this 2-pack is an excellent option. What people say. The drawers slide open and close very easily. The stackable design is another brilliant feature. The drawers hold letter-size paper 8.5 inches by 11 inches easily. Number 1. Sterilite ClearView 3-drawer organizer. Introducing the Sterilite ClearView 3-drawer organizer. This medium-sized organizer is perfect for keeping your countertops tidy. It's an ideal solution for storing a variety of small items. Keep your craft supplies like thread, ribbon, and paper organized with ease. The see-through drawers allow for quick and easy identification of contents. No more searching for what you need. Featuring ergonomic drawer handles, accessing your stored items is simple. They make it easy to pull out and push in. This organizer helps declutter your home by providing a neat storage solution. Keep your workspace or craft area organized and efficient. What we like? This medium-sized organizer is perfect for countertops, offering a clear view of your stored items thanks to its see-through drawers. The ergonomic handles ensure easy access to your supplies. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to store small craft supplies, office essentials, or bathroom items on your desk or counter, this organizer provides convenient and accessible storage. What people say. Hold 6 wide dry Browns bottles and accessories at a time. The drawers hold all the bottle accessories we don't use in the bottom drawer, plus little things like the Haka flower and pacifiers. They are just perfect. I had originally found them at Walmart, but they stopped carrying this specific model and replaced it with a newer model which wasn't the same and I did not like. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.